You are being asked to research the needs and concerns of a prospect audience of Boulder area lawyers or tech startup owners for your content marketing blog post. In this video, I will introduce you to market research reports from Mintel to aid researching your potential audience and inform your content marketing strategy. Market research reports contain industry information, demographic data, and an analysis of a market. Mintel gathers company, industry, and economic data, surveys consumers, and completes analysis in order to provide information on consumer trends, demographics, and brands. When you log into Mintel, you need to acknowledge that you're using the database for academic purposes. And so if you check the box next to acknowledge these permissions and prohibitions, you can click continue. You can do a keyword search in Mintel, but I'm going to start by browsing some of the filters. For example, you can filter by category. There's not a category for everything, so you might need to think pretty broadly about a category that might be relevant to what you're interested in. For example, perhaps you're wanting to market office furniture that promotes employee well-being. That's pretty specific, but there is a category for furniture and furnishings. So perhaps you could learn something by looking at those market research reports and extrapolate to the kind of product or service you're trying to market. You can filter by region, though these categories are at the level of country, not at the level of city or state. You can browse by trend drivers. For example, there's a category for well-being, including fitness, nutrition, physical, or psychological. And you can also browse by demographic. So perhaps through other research you've completed for this assignment, you've learned that, for example, tech startup owners in Boulder are mostly millennials. You can look at a market research report about millennials. This is an extensive report with lots of sections and data. You can see the content of the report if you scroll down here, and you can click on those different sections and read them. There's also an interactive data book, so you can look at the data that was collected to inform this research report. But I always recommend starting with the executive summary just to get an overview of what kind of information is included in this market research report. And those come as a download. But you can see here what some of the challenges and opportunities that millennials are facing and how that might drive marketing strategies for this group. So I encourage you to explore Mintel and look at reports that might inform your market research strategy for your content marketing blog post.